Have you ever dreamed of new construction? We did, and we made that dream a reality here at Pinehills Owl's Nest Community. The Toll Brothers Preserve Collection is a low-maintenance luxury single-family home in Plymouth, Mass. Your choice of detached one- or two-story family homes with first-floor primary bedroom suites, home office, and open floor plans. Future private community amenities will include a clubhouse with fitness center, pool, and bocce courts. Owl's Nest is close proximity to Pine Hills Village Center, including shops and services, and a short drive to local beaches like Whitehorse and Long Beach. This low-maintenance living allows you to spend more time with your family and friends, doing the things you love, such as exploring and dining in the many restaurants up and down Court Street. Known for its fresh seafood, sit oceanside while you dine or just have a drink and appetizers while you scan the horizon of boats and beautiful water views. Visit the museums, Mayflower 2, and of course, Plymouth Rock. Picturesque waterfront downtown areas with distinguished restaurants are jam-packed with things to do. Discover the local charm that drives people, both locally and nationwide, to visit Plymouth County. Join us and move to Plymouth. We're your local realtors. Reach out and we'll tell you about the square footage, the houses, and the amenities around Plymouth. Let's go. Come on.